tuned to find out how to achieve this scar-inspired Halloween makeup look. First, I'm taking a damp beauty sponge and applying a foundation that's a tad bit darker than me all over the face. Next, I'm applying a full coverage concealer in a shade that's close to my skin tone throughout the center of the face or anywhere where I'll need a little bit more coverage. Now I'm going in with the concealer that is very light for my skin tone into the center of my face, around my mouth, my forehead, and down my nose. I'm also going to put a touch under my cheekbone. Then we're going to blend that out with a damp beauty sponge. Pay special attention to placement and make sure that everything is evenly blended. Take an angled brush and gel eyeliner to create a really dark, dramatic brow. You can even kind of squint a little bit to kind of see how far down you should take it. We're going to skip over the arch of the brow, which is where we're going to draw in that scar that makes Scar so famous, and continue out on the end. Adding a little bit more to the front, pressing down and flicking upwards. We can add a few extra wisps to the top so that it's very cat-like. Repeat on the other side. We're going to take that same light concealer and draw in the scar. Kind of extends upward, almost like a lightning bolt. And go ahead and extend that shape under the eyelid as well. And now I'm just taking a damp Q-tip to refine the shape a bit more. Using the Warrior 2 palette by Juvia's Place, I'm going to take the Rust and Chocolate shades and define the crease. Using a flat shader brush, I'm going to take the black from the palette and define the crease even more. We'll use those same two shades to contour the rest of the face. Now I'm going in with a black eyeliner pencil to rim the inside of the eye. Exaggerate that lower lash line darkness with the eyeliner. Let's add some dimension to that scar with the same red and brown shade with a touch of black. Add some of that gray from the palette to deepen the contours. Take a small detail brush and your black gel liner and add the nose and mouth details. Go back to the warm red shade and the chocolate shade from the Juvia's Place palette and blend out the tip of the nose upwards. Add a bit of that white shade from the palette underneath your lash line and inner corner of your eye. Blend it out with a bit of the red from the palette. Clean up the scar, the foundation or concealer shade that matches you perfectly. Use whatever's left on your brush from the eyeliner to create faint whiskers. and to curl the out corners of your lip. Use the concealer that's a shade too light to fill in the lip